Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a fall centerpiece for your table. I bought this at my local dollar store and I'm going to do it up. I'm going to show you. And I bought one of these. It is originally meant for doing like a candle centerpiece, but I'm going to put it right over the center here. Fit it over the, oops. There we go. Oops, that's what was hooking in. It was a leaf. Hang on. Here we go. And I'll hook that down here. And the other one on the other side. So it fits around the candles. Now, I wouldn't advise lighting the candles. You can always get the flameless candles for this. I'm just doing this for decoration. I'm not going to be lighting the candles. I should catch your leaves on fire. Okay, now, there's that. Now I'm just going to add a few touches to it, like some sunflowers, little acorns, a few things like that. Okay, and I got some big sunflowers that I bought. Put some of them on. There now. I'll just glue them on. And add another one right there. Just hold it there for a few seconds to make it stick, because this is plastic on metal, so it's not going to stick right away. Unfold that leaf. See, there you go. Get a better view of it. And I got a couple of like fake acorns to add on. Okay. And where can I put them to? Put one in there, I guess. Oops, a little bit of glue on the leaf. I'll get that off in a minute. And where could I put another one? Probably right there. And I got a little plastic pumpkin I could put there. Now, let's see where I could put him to. Oops. Yeah, it's sticking right now. I just gotta put a new glue stick in. Okay, there we go. And put the little pumpkin right there. Whoops, yeah, stick there good. Wait for a few minutes for that to dry. There we go. And I got a couple of real pine cones. I'll probably put that towards the back. Yeah, whoops, my flower fell off. See, this I said metal takes a few minutes to glue on. Let's see if I can touch it to a leaf to make it stay there. Okay. Oops, let me do it up here, yes. There we go. Now it needs another acorn for the bottom to match it up, because it looks funny with just two. I'll put 3 there. And right there. I think I'm going to leave the pine cones off, and I'll just put a couple of smaller little sunflowers there. Like little bunches I'll put. covering those ends. There we go. Oops. Oh, fuzzy. And I'll put another one over here. Oops. Move that over. And put that little sprig right there. That one keeps flopping for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. I'm on top. And there you go. And here it is, all finished. I added a second pumpkin, and this is the finished product. Now I'll be putting this on my coffee table. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll try to get more craft videos out for you. I work a lot, but I'll try to get as many out as I can.